welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to use Tinder. This is a day app. It's easy to use because that app is the goal of that app is connect with people, like talk to people, and is very intuitive to use. So we need to go here in the option of Tinder, and we are here in Tinder, and basically you got the principal page where you can see the person who you want to connect. Here in that page you can pass to the left or to the right to see that person, and if you want to doing a match with this person, the only thing you need to do is pick in the green heart and you can do a match. And if this person see the match and like you, and that person like you, like uh, that person send the match back, you can talk with this person. Here in the option of chats you can see the person who sent to you a match. So here you can go again in the option of encounters. It's like the site when you can knows people, like doing a match. And if you want to delete that person of your page, you need to pick here in the red X. You can delete that person, and we got here in the down right corner we got the page of your profile, when you get all the personal information, your photo, all that information what the people see when see your profile. So here you get to the option of Tinder Gold, and here you got a page where Tinder showed you what is the benefits and the options of Tinder Gold. So here you can see the options, what is the benefits, and that's it. This is the process you can use Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.